Everyone, this is Harleen Man. Welcome to Digital Marketing Jobs Bulletin Bangalore. In today's video, we are going to discuss about the recent job openings for Bangalore location. Let's get started. So I have selected filter as past week and Digital Marketing Jobs Bangalore. This video is meant for Bangalore location. Digital Elf Smart Solution Private Limited, they are looking for digital marketing associate, and this company has posted this requirement 4 hours ago. So please go through this video till end and find what all companies are looking for digital marketers for Bangalore location. And I make sure that I will make list of these companies, and I will give all the details in description or comment section. So it will be very easy for you guys to just copy the list and start applying to these company. You can apply through Google, and you can also go to their individual company websites and start applying for these jobs. So according to your relevant JD, as today is 16 May, so I am showing all the job openings which are recent one, like 1 day ago or 3 days ago or 7 days ago. So these are the fresh job openings for Bangalore location for digital marketers. K12 Techno, they are looking for digital marketing head for Bangalore location. Shiraz Consulting, they are looking for digital marketing profile. Then we have Growth Maximizers, they are looking for digital marketing role. This company is also looking for digital marketing, social media marketing profiles. Staffing Solution, they are looking for digital marketing, online marketing profile. Smerketo, they are looking for digital marketing profile. IM Solution, they are looking for digital marketing manager for Bangalore location, and they have posted this requirement on LinkedIn. We Do eConsult Private Limited, they are looking for interns, digital marketing internship in Bangalore at We Do Consult Private Limited. Joint is also offering digital marketing internship, and they have posted this requirement 4 hours ago, and the category is internship. Zaran Tech, they are looking for digital marketing manager for Bangalore location. Utkarsh is looking for VP digital marketing. Mintra is looking for full-time digital marketing profile. Just Event, they are looking for digital marketing profile for Bangalore location, and they have posted this requirement 2 days ago. ITI Light, they are looking for digital marketing manager, and they have posted this job opening 2 days ago. Give India is looking for digital marketing manager for Bangalore location. Licious is looking for digital marketing head, and they have posted this job opening 3 days ago, and this job opening is full time. Nakoda Diary is looking for digital marketing profile. I will make list of these companies and share with you all in comment section or description section. Unacademy is looking for social media manager. Play Shifu is looking for digital marketing analyst, and they have posted these jobs 5 days ago. Digital marketing executive. Royal Brothers, Royal Brothers, they are also looking for digital marketing executive, and their location is Indiranagar, Bangalore. Frontier Modular Designs Private Limited is looking for digital marketing executive, and they have posted this job opening 2 days ago. Build a Home is looking for digital marketing executive, and they have posted this job opening 2 days ago. Then we have Cashpoint, they are looking for digital marketing performance specialist. Make sure whenever you are applying to these job openings, your resume should be relevant according to the job description. Cargill, they have posted this job opening 1 day ago, and they are looking for social media manager. In case you are looking for internship in social media, you can try this company BPU and company social media marketing internship, and this is for Bangalore location. This is they have full-time openings as well as they have internship. Plastocards Private Limited is looking for social media executive for Bangalore location. Hope you like this video, and I make sure that I upload videos every Saturday. and then you can go through these updated videos and find the list of companies who are looking for digital marketeers for Bangalore location. Please subscribe and like to my channel. Thanks for watching the video. Thanks a